Hello students, welcome back to the math class. Beta, in previous video we had started simultaneous linear equation and we had discussed three methods for solving simultaneous linear equation. Now today we are going to discuss how to solve the simultaneous equation if variables are in denominator. So let's start with question 1, exercise 6D. The question is 9 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. This is equation first. And 13 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 101 is equation second. Okay. Now, if you observe that here the variable is in denominator, and this condition we will let the variable 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Now in place of 1 upon x in equation first we can put a, and in place upon 1 upon y we can put b. Same as it is in equation 2, in place of 1 upon x we can put a, and in place of 1 upon y we can put b. So let's do. So it will be 9a minus 4b is equal to a. This is equation 3. And the second equation, 13a plus 7b is equal to 101. Equation 4. Okay. After that, we will use any method out of 3. Substitution method you can use here equating the coefficient, and you can also use cross multiplication method. Here I am using equating the coefficient, and I am doing equate the coefficient of b. So the coefficient of b in equation third is 4, and in equation 4 is 7. So for equating the coefficient, we will multiply in equation 3 by 7 and in equation 4 by 4. So it will be 9 into 7, 9 into 7, 63a minus 28b is equal to 56. In equation 4, when we multiply by 4, 13 into 4 is 52 plus 52a plus 28b is equal to 404. Now sign is differ. After that we will check the sign. Sign is differ, then we will do the addition. So plus minus will be 0. When we add, it will come 115a is equal to 460. 460. Now value of a is equal to 460 upon 115. So it will be go by 4 times 4. 115 into 4. Yes, 4 times. So the value of a is 4. After getting the value of a, put the value of a in equation 3 or equation 4. Now it is 9a minus 4b is equal to 8. A is 4. 9 into 4 minus 4b is equal to 8. 9 into 4, 36 minus 4b is equal to 8. Minus 4b is equal to 8 minus 36. Minus 4b is equal to minus 28. Minus minus cancelled. b is equal to 28 by 4. So the value of b is 7. After getting the value of a and b, again we will put in place of a, in the starting we let 1 upon x is equal to a. So 1 upon x is equal to a. A is 4. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Now 1 upon y is equal to b. Value of b is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 7. the value of y is equal to 1 by 7. This is the answer. Okay beta, whenever the variable are in denominator, on that time we will let 1 upon x is equal to other variable and 1 upon y is another variable, and then after that we will make the equation and solve for a and b. After getting the value of a and b, again we will put in place of a and in place of b we will get the value of x and y. Okay, now let's do one more question. Question number 5. The question number 5 is 3 upon x minus 2 upon y is equal to 0. Equation first, and the second equation is 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 19. Equation second. The question is, and hence find a if y is equal to ax plus 3. If y is equal to ax plus 3, for finding this value, first we find the value of x and y from equation first and second. So if you will observe here, again variables are in denominator, so we will let 1 upon x is equal to a is already given in question, so we will take other variable b, and 1 upon y is equal to c. Now put in place of 1 upon x b and in place of 1 upon y c. So it will be 3b minus 2c is equal to 0, equation 3, and 2b plus 5c is equal to 19, equation 4. Now here I am using the method equating the coefficient. So in equation 3, and I am solving for variable c, multiply by 5, and in equation 4 we will multiply by 2. So it will be 5 into 3, 15b minus 5 to the 10c is equal to 0, and when we multiply by 2, so it will be 2 to the 4b plus 5 to the 10c is equal to 38. And after that we will check the sign. One is negative, one is positive. Sign is differ, then we do the addition. It will be cancelled. 15 plus 4, 19b is equal to 38. So b is equal to 38 upon 19, 2. The value of b is 2. After getting the value of b, put an equation third or fourth. So it will be 3b minus 2c is equal to 0. b is 2, 3 into 2 minus 2c is equal to 0. 6 minus 2c is equal to 0. Minus 2c is equal to minus 6. Minus cancel. C is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. Now the value of c is 3 and value of b is 2. Again put the value of b and c in place of b. 1 upon x is equal to b. So 1 upon x is equal to 2. So the value of x is equal to, cross multiplication, 1 by 2. And now when we put the value of c, so it will be 1 upon y is equal to c. 1 upon y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the value of x and y. After finding the value of x and y, question says find the value of a if y is equal to ax plus 3. So in place of y we can put 1 upon 3, and in place of x we will put 1 by 2. We have already found the value of x and y. So let's put the value of x and y. y is 1 by 3 is equal to a, x is 1 by 2 plus 3. Send 3 left hand side, 1 upon 3 minus 3 is equal to a by 2. LCM is 3. So 1 minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to a by 2. It will be 9 minus 1 minus 8 by 3 is equal to a by 2. Do the cross multiplication. A is equal to minus 8 into 2 upon 3. So the value of a will be minus 16 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay beta. Now let's do one more question. This is the last question for this exercise. Okay. Question number 6, first part. The question number 6, first part is question number 6, first part. 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. And the second equation is 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, now this is equation first, this is equation second. Now check the variables. 1 in equation first, x upon y in the first term, but in equation second, the first term, the coefficient is the variable is x minus y. In denominator it is x minus y. So first we change the first term into second term in equation first. So it will be 3 upon x minus y plus 20 upon x plus y is equal to 7. This is equation first. If we interchange the terms, there will be no change in equation. Okay. Now, because both are in plus, positive. Second equation is 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y is equal to 5, equation 2. Okay. Now let 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. Okay. Now put in place of 1 upon x minus y we can put a, and in place of x plus y we can put b. So the equation will be 3a plus 20b is equal to 7, equation 3, and 8a minus 15b is equal to 5, equation 4. After that, again I am using here equating the coefficient. Equating the coefficient, I am solving for variable a. So for making the coefficient equal, in equation 3 we will multiply by 8 and equation 4 we will multiply by 3. Okay, so the equation will be 3 into 8, 24a plus 8 into 20, 160b is equal to 7 into 8, 56. Now here 3 into 8, 24a plus minus 15 into 3, 45b is equal to 5 into 3, 15. After that we will check the sign. Both sign is equal, then we do the subtraction. And when we do the subtraction, the sign of downward will be changed. Plus, minus. It will be cancelled. It will be cancelled. Now plus, 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 plus. So 5, 6 and 4, 0. 205b is equal to 56 minus 15 is 41. So the value of b is equal to 41 upon 205. Then how many times it will go? 5 times. 1, 5. So the value of b is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, after getting the value of b, put the value of b in equation 3. So the equation 3 is 3a plus 20b. b is 1 by 5 is equal to 7. Is 4. 3a plus 4 is equal to 7. So 3a is equal to 7 minus 4. 3a is equal to 3. So the a will be 3 by 3, 1. The value of a is 1. After getting the value of a and b, again we will put the value of a and b here. 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. So let's put the value of a and b. So 1 upon x minus y is equal to a. The value of a is 1. So the equation will be, do the cross multiplication. X minus y is equal to 1. Let this is equation 5. Now 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. And value of b is 1 by 5. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. Do the cross multiplication. So it will be x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation 6. Now we will solve equation 5 and 6. Write down equation 5 here. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 5. Now the coefficient of y is already equal, plus minus, so it will be cancelled, and plus x, 2x is equal to 6. So x will be 6 by 2 is 3. So the value of x is equal to 3. Now put the value of x in equation 5. So x minus y is equal to 1. X is 3. So 3 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2. So the value of y is 2. Y is equal to 2. Okay beta. So now you do the practice of exercise 60. Is very easy exercise. Okay, and next we will discuss the word problems. So thank you.